Hope this video helps. Please check out the playlist, Evidence for Christianity, Evidence for the Bible, End Times, and the Book of Revelation. I'll leave links in the description for all four. Enjoy. Got my 2015 Kia Sedona here with the passenger side low beam headlight out. I will be installing the Sylvania H7. I'm going to leave an Amazon link in the description for the dual pack of this. I am an Amazon associate, so I earn from any qualifying purchases when you use my link. Pop the hood and shut the headlights off. Release the latch, lift it up. Alright, coming in from over here, this is what we need to get our finger on. Pull it down, and it's really tight, so be careful not to smack your knuckles or anything on any of the metal sharp edges while you're doing this. Oh boy, just lost it. And it fell right back there, so it's not gone. And I got it. There's a O-ring gasket on here, so that could come off. Just be aware of that. That needs to be on there to make a seal. So looking down the side here, you can see these wires going in. This is kind of a big knob that you can grab a hold of to turn it counterclockwise to unlock this bulb from the housing, and it is not easy to get to. The engineers did not design this for easy access. I'm leaning over the car, angling my hand just right with my left hand to try to get a hold of that knob. There we go. Please support my channel and leave a super thanks below. You can also purchase the product through the Amazon link and I'll get an earning from that. Or you can join Robinhood through a link that I'll leave in the description, and we'll both get a free stock. Continue watching. It's turning. Got it. Whew. So it's broke loose. Let's take the bulb out gently. Try not to break it. There it is. Fish it out like that. So now that it's out, you can sort of see these fingers here on each side of this plug that I was grabbing onto to turn it while it was in there. People say you're not supposed to touch the bulb with your fingers because it gets oils on it and makes a hot spot and it'll burn out faster, so don't do this. Look, I'm touching it. To get the bulb off of here, you just need to pull it off. And be careful, you know, don't want to break it. And it only goes on a certain way. If you can see, it's designed to only go on one way. So get the thing in there. Hey, it kind of clips in. Alright, now the fun part, getting this thing back in the housing. I think my right hand might work best this time. Alright, hopefully I got it lined up in the slots that it needs to be in. Feels like it, so got it like that. The wire's going this way. And then, ow, man, that hurts. Alright, I got gloves on this time, so I can not squish my fingers too hard, because those, man, that just hurts. So I got this hard plastic bumper that I got off this clamp that I'm going to put on my thumb so I can put some major pressure on that thing so I can get it turned. So here we go with the new method. Just need to be able to put some massive pressure on this top one to get turned. This top tab. Ah, got it. There we go. It's locked in there this time. Time to put the outside cover on. There's this notched out area that you need to get this tab into, so put it on there, get it lined up with the bottom part of that notched out area to get it to go in, and then just turn it up. My goodness. Ugh. There we go. Alright, let's start the car and see if they work. All good. That was far too complicated. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. And if you want to connect with me, I have a public group on MeWe called Share Your Trade. I'll leave a link of that in the description. Thanks for watching.